Over the last 4 years, I've been using the Gillette heated razor. I love it, and it's been a great shave. So the other day, I went to turn it on, and I got this weird flashing light, and I thought, this is kind of strange. It doesn't look like that flash when it tells me the battery indicator is getting low. So I ended up putting it on the charging stand, and it looked like it was charging normally for a few seconds, and then it stopped. And so after doing research and then calling customer service, I was told, indeed, the battery is no longer good and it won't be able to be charged. And you could see the charging port is no longer working. And so I was disappointed, and it sounded like there's a 3-year warranty, but with it 4 years, I was out of luck. So I thought I would have to pay full retail, and it's a fairly expensive product, but to me it's worth the money. But the representative gave me 30% off the handle and the kit for a new one, which would come with a 3-year warranty. And I definitely took advantage. I know, in fact, I even get emails from Gillette about 20% off and even 30% off, but never for the Gillette Labs products. So I went ahead and ordered it, and today wanted to share with you, even though I used it, what I got. And so if you're thinking about getting it, what to expect in the packaging. So they did have a special edition with the blue handle, which they no longer make, which I would have considered getting. And then they also have a gold one, but I ended up getting the silver one and thought I would show you the kit and how it comes. So I did use it because I needed to shave, although I was traveling, and then I just got back. And so I'm glad that I have the heated razor. So it has this little card with some information, and you can see it's nicely packaged, and I got a brand new working one and pretty stoked. You got the charging port, same thing, got an extra blade, so you got one on there plus an extra one, and then lastly you have the power cable and instructions. So I'll have duplicates, which is kind of nice. So for traveling, I could just use the extra port, keep one plugged, and take it on the go with me as the whole set if I'm interested in doing that. So what I'm going to do is just take the blade off the handle that no longer works, put it on the new one, and then just start using that there. Now, I wanted to also share with you, if you are thinking about some other things to get, one is shaving cream. This shaving cream is awesome. This came highly recommended, and it's ranked well for ingredients in there. There is some stuff that put on your skin that's toxic, and so this one seemed to have a better rating as far as the ingredients. And I find that this goes on the skin really smoothly. It's got a nice texture and it smells good. And so I highly recommend the shaving cream. I'll put a link to it. It is awesome, natural shaving cream, and a little does go a long way. It really does have that nice smell too, which is great. Now, the other thing I wanted to share with you is the company does have a case which you can charge through with the plug. However, I hear it's bulky and it's around $50. I picked up this case a few years ago, and it's perfect. It's a hard shell case, and your handle fits perfectly in there like that. And then you even have room to put the extra blade if you want, and then you could just zip it up and you're good to go. So this is great, and I'll put a link to this one as well. And again, it's a hard shell, so you'll keep it protected and it won't take up a lot of room in your bag. And last but not least, I like to shave in the shower. This is a fog-free shower mirror. I got this, believe it or not, in 2013, and it's still working. I just rinsed this under the water, and it keeps it from fogging up. It's fantastic. It also does come with a suction cup, so you can hang that right on the wall. Now, since I got this mirror, it has come out with the bigger sizes. The company has come out with bigger sizes, so you could check out that as well. I'll put a link to it. So there you go. So If you are interested in getting the Gillette razor and you have one, call the company up, talk to customer service, and see what they can do to help you. If you have a receipt, and I believe it's within 3 years, it sounds like it will be covered, and you may not even have to send the one you have in there. They might ask for a video, and then they'll potentially send you a replacement. I don't know if there'd be like any sort of fee, but definitely do check that out. And otherwise, if you don't have it, there are some packages, and I'll put a link to it where you can check it out, but I love it and definitely recommend it. So hope you have a great shave, and I hope this video was of help to you, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Thanks so much. Take care.